Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Epson Workforce 2960DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. If you check my video, we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. What I want to do now is to show you how to scan document with this printer. Okay, to scan a document, open up the scanner and stick the document you want to scan, close it. Now the next thing to do is we are doing this using a mobile device. So this printer is connected using Epson Smart Panel. So from the Epson Smart Panel, then you need to go to, so scroll to the side and look for scan. Select scan. This is the scan. Okay, from here now, then you need to select settings. Then you select source as a glass scanner. Document type is A4. Image type is color. Resolution 300 dpi. If you select, the maximum is 300 dpi with mobile phone. If you are using laptop, the dpi is a bit higher. Okay, so currently it's in 300 dpi, which is standard. Then the next thing is automatic rotation. You can select automatic rotation, and image format is PDF. If we are selecting JPG, it's usually for photo. Okay, currently in PDF, right? Then you go back and select start. Here we go. So now this document is scanning. Okay, so this is the document to scan. If you are not happy with it, then you can delete it. But if you're happy with it, then you go ahead. If you want to scan the second one, I want to turn it upside down to scan the second page. Okay, then you need to select plus scan to scan the second page. Okay, so this is the document we scan, first and second one. And the next, if you want to delete it, if you're not happy, then you select delete. This second button here is for you to adjust it and also to rotate. Okay, you can also select the three dot for you to rotate 90 degrees or rotate 180 degrees, okay, or reverse order. Then select next. Okay, for you to save this document, you need to select folder. You can give the document name and also location where you want to save this document to. Okay, you select use this folder. Okay, then the next thing is select save. So this document now, the file is saved. Okay, then you go back to the home screen. If you go back to home screen, yes or no? No, because I still want to. So to print this document out, you select print, select this share, okay, or to send it to somebody. To send it to somebody via email, then you select email address of the person you want to send this to. Okay, the document is attached to my inbox. I'm going to send it back to myself. Okay, and click send. Click OK. So now this document is sent to my inbox. Now the other thing I want to do is to print this document out. Okay, so to print it out, select share again. Then you need to look for Epson Smart Panel. Here we go, select Epson Smart Panel. Okay, and now this is the Epson Smart Panel. Okay, so you need to select print. When you select print, it gives you option for you to select print range, which is 1 to 2 or all. Okay, and paper type is A4, media type is plain paper, layout is border, print quality standard, paper source, casket, color. Okay, currently is in black and white, but I want to print this color. And also to print it two-sided, select two-sided long edge and you can also select how many copies, select print. So now this document is going to print two-sided. Here we go. So it's going back in to print out the other side. The beauty of this printer is it goes in automatically. Okay, so some printers you need to turn it over, but this one is going back in. Here we go. So this is the document printing complete. This is the document we scan, printed it out, double-sided. Okay. Now the other thing I'm going to do is our job here is pretty much done. Then the next thing to do is you need to check my inbox, email address, to see the document was sent to my inbox and this arrived here. Open it up. This is the document sent to my inbox. So select open. Here we go. So this is exactly how this works. You can see the document we sent to my inbox. If you want to print it out as well, you can just go from the inbox, select three dots and select print. Okay. And then the next thing to do is you need to scroll down to look for this printer. So scroll down and check Epson. Here we go. Then you select print. From here, you can do so many things. You can select print. And this document now is going to print out from here as well. So this is exactly how this works. There we go. So we are now printing from my inbox. So it's now printing the second page. Okay, so this is the document you printed out from my email address. Thank you very much. This is how to scan your document, print it out, likewise share and save. Thank you.